Hi students, we are going to see the trigonometric ratios of 360 plus theta today. We have seen how do we write the trigonometric ratios of 360 minus theta yesterday. Like that, we know the value of sine of 360 minus theta, which is minus sine theta. Wherever theta is there, replace it by minus theta. So, will come left side sine of 360 plus theta minus of sine of minus theta. I have already told you the value of sine of minus theta. That should be minus sine. That minus this minus will be positive. Will come as plus sine theta. Similarly, we can write the trigonometric ratios of cos of 360 plus theta is cos theta. Tan of 360 plus theta is tan theta. Cosec of 360 plus theta is cosec theta. Sec of 360 plus theta is sec theta. Sec of 360 plus theta equals to sec theta. Cot of 360 plus theta equals to cot theta. These are the trigonometric ratios of 360 plus theta. Now, let us see what is to measure the angles. You have various systems are there or measurements are there. The measurements are, the first measurement is or system is sexagesimal measurement. In this measurement, we measure the angles in degrees, minutes and seconds. Let us see what is sexagesimal measurement. This is the measurement we should use to measure the angle. Understand? Okay. First of all, let us see what is sexagesimal measurement. Sexagesimal measurement. In this measurement or in this system, we measure the angles. We measure the angles in degrees, minutes and seconds. In this system, 1 degree is denoted by 1 degree is denoted by 1 degree. So 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. These are the minutes. 60 minutes. 1 dash represents minutes. 2 dash minutes represents seconds. 60 minutes and 60 seconds. Total revolution of the angle. Total revolution. one total revolution, one turn should be 360 degrees. The 360th part of total turn is denoted by 1 degree, as like this. One more thing, the one more measurement is there, as like this. One more thing, right angle equals to 90 degrees. Straight angle equals to 180 degrees, like this, in sexagesimal measurement. One more measurement is there, centesimal measurement. Centesimal measurement. Listen, actually this hexadecimal measurement is our system, that is English system, British system. Centesimal system nothing but French system. In this centesimal system we measure the angles in grades, minutes and seconds, as like this. In this system we measure the angles, in grades, minutes and seconds. As like this. 1 grade equals to 100 minutes. Here 1 minute equals to, in this system, 100 seconds. This is French system. This is not our system. In this system, one straight angle, right angle should be there. Right angle equals to 100 grades. Right angle equals to 100 grades. Straight angle equals to equals to 200 grades, as like this. This is the centesimal system. We have one more system is there to measure the angles, as like this. We have one more measurement is there to measure the angles, that is radian system. Radian. The word radian is useful to measure the angle, as like this. We use 1 radian denoted by, as like this. 1, write C, because that radian measurement also we say that circular measurement. Circular measurement. Okay. Pi radians equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Note number 1. 1 radian equals to 180 by pi degrees. Note number 2. 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radians. That symbol C stands for circular measurement, that is radian measurement. Understand? Here, let us see the conversion. How do we convert radians into degrees, degrees into radians? As like this. Let us see some problems how to convert the conversion of radians. One more important thing is there. Before going to do the problems, let us see one relation of to convert radians into degrees, degrees into radians, or whatever it may be required, we can take as like this. That is a node condition. The node condition is 180 by degrees equals to 200 by grades equals to pi by radians. 180 is the straight angle, 200 is the straight angle in centesimal system, 180 is the straight angle in sexagesimal system, pi is the straight angle in radian system. All this represents the straight angle. Understand? 180 degrees straight angle. 180 means how much? Pi radians. This relation, the relation is useful to convert the radians into degrees, degrees into radians, and grades into degrees, grades into radians, as like this. This is the useful relation. 180 by d, 200 by grades, pi by radians. Okay. Let us see how do we convert the radians, degrees into radians. Let us see some problems of conversion. Understand? As like this. Convert the following degrees into radians. Okay. Let us see them. Convert the following degrees into radians. Degrees into radians. One question. Let us see how do we convert 30 degrees into radians. 30 into 1 degree. 1 degree is how much? Pi by 180 radians. Okay. 30 degrees equals to pi by 180 radians. Pi by 6. Let us see how do we convert. One more question. 45 degrees. 45 into 1 degree. 45 into 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. Cancel it. 9 5s are 45, 20, none more thing, 5 fours are, how much will come? Pi by 4. One more question, 60 degrees as like this. Sixty degrees can be written as 60 into 1 degree pi by 180 radians. 6 ones are 6 threes are. 60 degrees equals to pi by 3 radians. 90 degrees equal to 90 into 1 degree. 90 into pi by 180 radians. 0 0 get cancelled. 9 to pi by 2 radians. Okay.